Franklin India Flexi Cap Fund was launched in 2005, and the aim was to give investors an exposure across the entire market capitalization range. And we have not limited the exposure just to large cap companies. This fund can invest also in the mid cap space. To keep the fund more liquid, we have limited the exposure at all points of time to the mid cap space to about 40% or so. Depending on the relative value between the mid cap and the large cap space, the fund has the ability to move from large cap to mid cap and vice versa. And this, we think, over the long run will give investors better risk adjusted return as compared to a pure large cap or a pure mid and small cap fund. The fact that this is going to be a diversified funds makes it less risky than a pure mid and small cap fund, and we think that investors with a moderate risk profile could look at this fund as an investment option. Again, in terms of an investment horizon, the minimum investment horizon should be a period of 3 years, and we think that the longer you have exposure to equity mutual funds, the better it is for you. But we would recommend a minimum of 3 years for investors looking to invest in the Flexi Cap Fund. The fact that the Flexi Cap Fund has the ability to invest across market caps means that an investor would get exposure to the entire corporate sector in India as opposed to a large cap fund which would give him exposure only to the large cap companies, or a mid and small cap fund which gives an investor exposure only to the smaller companies. So this fund is a good blend of large and mid cap, and as a result an investor need not probably look at investing in a combination of large and small cap. He can do that by investing only in a fund like the Flexi Cap Fund. The fund has been in existence since 2005, and in the last 7 years we've had a regular history of payouts, dividend payouts. To summarize, Flexi Cap Fund is a fund which has the flexibility to choose stocks from across the entire spectrum of companies available in India, and it offers a vehicle for you to benefit from a truly diversified portfolio which is a play on the Indian economy.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.